Happy birthday, Lola Lita. I wish you good health and more blessings to come. Happy birthday, bye!
Ay, kalago ng mako. Ay. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you.
As I watch you move across the moonlit room, there's so much tenderness in your loving. Tomorrow I must leave, the dawn knows no reprieve. God give me strength when I am leaving.
Hello!
Hello, Pilipon, mabuhay. Mini mission. Mini mission.
Michelle!
We'll be back
Nakilang.
together.
Maraming salamat sa inyo. Patuloy mo kami. Mama, marami akong tutunan sa inyo.
Ay, koy, tuhod ko.
Salamat.
Ay, tuhod. Aray,
Manan,
tuhod.
matanda na siya.
Matanda siya.
Thank you, thank you.
Of love so softly. I can't believe this pain. It's driving me insane. Without your touch, life will be lonely. So raise your hands to heaven and pray that we'll be back together someday. Yeah. Tonight I need your sweet caress. Hold me in the darkness. Tonight you calm my restlessness. You relieve my sadness. Tonight I need your sweet caress. Hold me in the darkness. Tonight you calm my restlessness. You relieve my sadness.
Pinapakilala ko yung pinaka prinsesa ko, si Apong Lita. Si Mama Lita. So ma, today is the day. Anong masasabi mo?
Maligaya ako after 2 years. Ngayon lang kami ulit nagkasama ng ganito. Kaya susulitin ko na.
Paano niya?
Mahal na mahal ko. Nakikita ko na yung mukha niya. Malinaw na kasi kahapon. Sabi ko, nasaan na kaya yung anak ko? Hindi ko alam kung ano na yung itsura niya. Pero ngayon, malinaw na. Ayan o. Malinaw. malinaw na. Thank you,
Thank
na.
you, Ma.
Love you.